Welcome back once again. This is Asif from Modern International School, Hiswa. So, students, we are present over here and to cover exercise 4G, rational number, chapter number 4, class 7. So, get ready to learn. Yes, we have taken question number 3. If x by 6 is equal to 7 by minus 3, then the value of x, it has 4 options. Okay, now first find the value of x, then match. Is it correct or which option is matching? Okay, now see cross multiplication, x multiplied by minus 3 and 6 multiplied by 7. Here x multiplied by minus 3 is equal to 7 multiplied by 6 or 6 multiplied by 7. This x is equal to 7 multiplied by 6 divided by minus 3, because this is the multiple of x and we have to find the value of x. So x as it is, and now we brought this multiple minus 3 to the denominator on the right hand side. 7 multiplied by 6 divided by minus 3. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. 7 multiplied by 2. 7 multiplied by 2. Yes, this is 14. Okay. Or here is minus 1. Here is minus 1. Minus 1. Then we have to write, we have to multiply numerator minus 1. We have to multiply minus 1 in numerator and in denominator. Why? Because denominator should be the positive, because we have to put the rational number in a standard form. Okay, this is minus 14, minus into minus plus 1 1 1, that means minus 14 is your answer. So the answer is, have a look, answer is A is your answer. Okay, now see friends, question number 6, which is a smaller out of 5 by minus 6 and minus 7 by 12. Okay, now first write this rational number in standard form. That means we have to multiply minus 1 in numerator and minus 1 in denominator. This is 5 by minus 5 by 6. Now this is already okay. Okay, now here minus, now we decide minus 5 by 6. Here is minus 5 by 6 and here is 7 by 12. Okay, now we have to make the denominators as equal. Here minus 7 by 12. Now we have to mix this rational number as a denominator as a 12 dot. That means we have to multiply denominator in denominator by 2, on numerator also 2. Here minus 10 by 12 and this is minus 7 by 12. It is okay. Here is the denominator same, here is the denominator same. Okay, now we have to check out numerator. Here the numerator is minus 7, okay, and minus 10, but the numerically it looks like greater because the 10, but here the minus 10. The numbers is greater with the negative sign is a smaller number. That means this number is a smaller than this. Hence we get minus 5 by 6 is less than minus 7 by 12. This minus 5 by 6 is the given numbers. That means 5 by minus 6 is less than minus 7 by 12. So the option number, you can see the option number A is correct. Okay, question number 6, option number A is correct. Now see friends, question number 11, minus 6 by 13 minus bracket minus 7 by 15. This can be written minus 6 by 13 as it is. Here is the minus, here is the minus, means bracket means multiply. Here is minus multiply by minus, minus into minus, plus 7 by 15. Okay, now see this question number 11. Okay, now we have to take the LCM denominators, all denominators 13 and 15. Take the LCM of LCM. Okay, LCM of 13 and 15. Okay, now you can easily solve. First of all, find the LCM of 13 and 15. That means the product of 13 and 15 is gives us the LCM. Okay, now divide the LCM by 13 and what you get as a quotient, multiply the quotient with minus 6. Here write down, here the plus sign, then once again divide this LCM by 15. Whatever the quotient get, multiply the quotient with 7 and write down and add these two values. That means subtract here the minus sign, here is the plus. That means subtract these values or add these values and divided by whatever the LCM you got. Okay, this will give you answer. I hope you will do it. Now see question number 16. First of all solve this question, then match, because the question number 16 has 4 options. Okay, now first of all here take the LCM. First of all draw the line or the line segment, take the LCM 4, 6 and 3. So the LCM is 12. You can take the LCM. Okay, now divide this LCM by 4. 4 3 ja 12, 3 multiply by 5, 3 5 ja 15. Here is the minus. Now divide this 12 by 6, 6 2 ja 12, 2 and multiply by 7, 7 2 ja 14. Here is the minus. Now divide this 12 by 3, so 3 4 ja 12, 4 multiply by minus 2, that means 4 multiply by minus 2, this is minus 8, here bracket minus 8. Okay, because it is the minus. Now this is minus 40, minus into minus plus, this is 8. Okay, now this is 12. Now add first these two numbers. Here 15 plus 8 is equal to, add 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. Okay, here is the 23, this is minus 14. Okay, divided by 12. Now 23 minus 14 is equal to 9. Okay, this is 9 divided by 12, and now this will get cancelled. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12. Here 3 by 4. Now you can check the option, which option is correct. 16. Here have a look. Your answer is 3 by 4. Yes, option number A is correct. Okay, now friends, all further questions are very simple, because we have to solve, and your homework we have to solve all the questions, and all the questions of exercise 4G are just related to previous exercise that we have learned in the previous time. Okay, I hope you can easily solve all the questions. If you have any doubt or questions, please ask me. Okay, now your homework is question number 1 to 20. Okay, 1 to 20, exercise 4G. So have a nice day.